Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Doc Gilmac. Are you ready, class, for the next lesson? So if you're ready, just sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the topic to be discussed for today. Alright, class, let's begin! Last time we discussed about solving simple linear equations in one variable and solutions of multi-step linear equations in one variable, applying the different properties of equality. This time, we will be discussing rational linear equations. We will be looking for its solutions, and also we're going to apply the different properties of equality. Let's have first a simple recall on the different properties of equality. Number 1, we have the reflexive property. Number 2, we have the symmetric property. Number 3, we have the transitive property. Number 4, we have the addition property of equality. Number 5, we have the subtraction property of equality. Number 6, we have the multiplication property of equality. Number 7, we have the division property of equality. The topic I will be discussing for today's lesson is all about solutions of rational first-degree equations in one variable, using the properties of equality. Find the solution or root of the following rational linear equation. Number 1, x plus 1/2 is equal to 4/5. Let's consider the given. The first thing we have to do here, class, is to determine the least common denominator of the given fractions. After determining the LCD, we multiply the LCD to both sides of the equation. As you can see, class, 10 is the LCD for 1/2 and 4/5. So we multiply 10 to both sides of the equation. Simplifying further, we apply distributive property. 10 times x is 10x. 10 times 1/2 is 5. So we have 10x plus 5 is equal to 10 times 4/5 is simply equal to 8. Applying subtraction property of equality, we have 10x is equal to 8 minus 5. Simplifying further, we have 10x is equal to 3 since 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Dividing both sides by 10, applying division property of equality, we can simply cancel 10 and 1/10 since they are multiplicative inverse. From here, we have x is just equal to 3/10. Consider number 2. X plus 4/5 is equal to 1/5 plus 2x plus 6/3. Let's consider the given. Again, we have to look for the least common denominator of the fractional part of the given equation. As you can see, the LCD is 15. Multiply 15 to both sides of the equation. So we have 15 times the quantity x plus 4/5 is equal to 1/5 plus 2x plus 6 all over 3. Applying distributive property, we have 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 5 times 2x plus 6. Since 15 over 5 is 3, multiplied to x plus 4 is equal to 15 times 1/5 is 3 plus 15 times 2x plus 6 over 3 is 5 times 2x plus 6. Again, we have to apply distributive property. So we have 3 times x plus 4 is 3x plus 12 is equal to 3 plus 5 times 2x plus 6, which is 10x plus 30. Subtracting 12 and 10x to both sides of the equation, applying subtraction property of equality, we have 3x minus 10x is equal to 3 plus 30 minus 12. Simplifying further, 3x minus 10x is negative 7x is equal to 3 plus 30 minus 12, which is 21. So we have negative 7x equals 21. Dividing both sides by negative 7, applying the division property of equality, you can just cancel negative 7, since negative 7 and negative 1 over 7 are multiplicative inverse. From here, we have x is equal to negative 3, since 21 divided by negative 7 is equal to negative 3. Before we end our discussion for today, let me first share to you the passage coming from the Bible. The book of Colossians, chapter 3, verse 17. And whatever you do, whether in word or deed, do it all in the name of the Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through Him. Take note, skills are developed through constant correct practice, and there will always be a room for improvement. That's all for today. Stand by for my next lesson. Stay safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.